I'm going to turn these 3 pieces of metal into something beautiful. Okay, I've got 2 pieces of brass and a thin piece of copper. I'm going to laminate them together, clean them up, and I'll sweat them together with solder, like a licorice salt. I had a total deficiency of heat output off that little gas torch, and my wife's gone out, so we'll try this, we'll give this a blast. Hide the evidence before she gets back. Okay, that's a 3D printed prototype which I drew up, printed out, made sure it works, and it does work in the gun. And then went and used the CAM program to make sure I could cut it out of metal. So that was like a second sort of prototype out of aluminium. And then the final one, which I'm really pleased with, is that brass and copper laminate. Yeah, I'm really pleased with the way it's turned out. Just needs a good deburr and a polish now. I'll fit that in the gun. In the next video, I haven't even took it apart yet. I designed this when I took it apart the first time, which I said in my first video that I'd already done. My tuning parts have come from Tin Bum Tuning, and I've got my new spring and seal to go in. So we'll do a teardown video after I've posted this video. And I mean, it's not necessary to fit a trigger like this. It sets back about 5mm from standard. Standard one works fine, but it is a bit of a reach. So yeah, see you in the next video.